Sairam children, how are you all? I hope you all are taking care of your health. So today in the EST period, we are going to do the written work as we have done earlier also. Today also we are going to do written work. So the written work of chapter number 5, the food we eat. The name of the chapter is the food we eat. Okay children, so let's start. Open page number 20, the first page of the chapter. Chapter number 5, the food we eat. Now children, as you all know, we take 3 meals in a day. We have 3 meals in a day. The first one in the morning we have breakfast. The second meal of the day, that is we eat in the afternoon, that is our lunch. In the afternoon we eat lunch, and in the evening or at night we can say we eat dinner. What do we eat at night? We eat dinner at night. Okay children, so there are many kinds of food that we eat. Each food help us in a different way. Like food like chapati, rice, bread, butter, they give us energy to work and play. And food like milk, egg, fish, they help us to grow big and strong. So food like fruits and vegetables, they help our body to fight against diseases. Okay, so to stay healthy we should eat all types of food. Okay children, so let's do the written work. Page number 21. Complete these sentences. I eat dash for breakfast. I have taken the old book, but you must be having a new book, so no need to worry. You have to write in that blank, I eat dash for breakfast. Whatever you eat in the breakfast, you can write that. Here it is written bread and butter, but if you don't eat bread and butter in the morning, you can write whatever you eat in the breakfast. So I eat bread and butter for breakfast. If you eat parathas, you can write parathas also. In the second one, I eat dash for lunch. Here it is written dal and rice. If you eat dal and rice in the afternoon, you can write dal and rice. But if you eat some other thing in the lunch, you can write vegetable and roti, or vegetable or and chapatis. Whatever you eat in the lunch, you can write that. And at the last one, I eat dash for dinner. Here it is written chapatis and vegetables. If you don't eat chapatis and vegetables at night, you can write whatever you eat. Okay children, understood this much? Now the next one, mark the sentences as true, tick, or not true, cross. One has been done for you. We need food to grow. First one, we need food to grow. Children, I have explained you to grow well, you need food. So the first one is right. You have to put a tick is already there. Now the second one, we eat dinner in the morning. Do we eat dinner in the morning, children? No. When do we eat dinner? We eat dinner at night or in the evening. So you have to put a cross in the second one. Now the third one, we eat lunch in the afternoon. What is the meal that we eat in the afternoon called? It is called lunch. So the third one is correct. So you have to put a tick on the third one. Now fourth one, we must drink plenty of water. Children, I have explained you previously also that you should eat lots and lot of water. Water keeps our body hydrated, and these days are summer, so you should eat you should drink plenty of water. Now the fifth one, we must eat breakfast in the morning. Children, I have told you previously also, the breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Why breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Because you have eaten dinner the previous night. So there's a long gap between the previous day dinner and the next day morning. So the breakfast is very much important for your body. So it is correct. You have to put a tick in the fifth one. Now come down. Here are pictures of some fruits and vegetables. Choose 3 fruits and 3 vegetables you like to eat and write their names in the blanks. Children, see here some fruits are given. Fruits and vegetables are given. First is mango, cauliflower, banana, potato, pineapple, onion, orange, grapes, and in the next picture, carrot, tomato, and brinjal. So here are some fruits and vegetables. Pictures are given, and below that some blanks are given. In the first column, fruits, there are 3 blanks, 1, 2 and 3. And beside that, in the vegetables column, 3 blanks are given. Here in the fruits column, you have to write from these pictures the 3 fruits that you like. And in the vegetable section, you have to write 3 vegetables given in the pictures that you like to eat. Okay? I hope this you can do. Here it is written mango, banana and pineapple. And in the vegetable section, potato, onion and brinjal. So from these pictures, if these are not the fruits and vegetables that you like, you can write the vegetables and fruits. You can interchange them. Okay, children? Now come down. Match the pictures with their names. One has been done for you. Children, I no need to explain this. I think you can do this yourself. So this you have to do yourself. Come down. Tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. First is I eat lunch or dinner at night. What do you eat at night? What is the meal called? Do you eat lunch at night? No. So you eat dinner at night. So you have to put a tick above the word dinner. You will not put a tick on the word dinner or below the word. You always have to put tick above the word. Okay, children? So put a tick above the word dinner. Now, number 2, banana is a fruit or vegetable. You all must be knowing this. What is banana? Banana is a fruit. So put a tick above the word fruit. Third one, I must drink plenty of cold drinks or water to stay healthy. Come on, tell children, what is good for your health? Cold drinks or water? Yes, water is very important for your health. So put a tick on the word water. I must drink plenty of water to stay healthy. Now, the fourth one, food that gives me energy is bread and butter or fish and eggs. Come on, tell, which food gives us energy? Bread and butter. So you have to put a tick above the word bread and butter. Now, the fifth one, fruits and vegetables or rice and chapati or milk and eggs help the body to fight against diseases. Come on, tell, which kind of food helps our body to fight against diseases? Yes, Fruits and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables help our body to fight against diseases. So you have to put a tick above the word fruits and vegetables. I hope you all have understood this much, and you have to write in a beautiful handwriting. Okay children, Sai Ram.